All right, we're done. 8 hours because I slowed it down just because I was in bed, so there was no point in making it go fast. We just did the bottom part here. Added a tiny bit of color just for fun. There we go, let's not break everything. Turned out pretty nice. Yeah, that's just some default tree support setting there. Smooth. All right, but now it's the real question. Will the arm fit in there? And will the controllers fit?
It didn't record sad face.
All right, so here's version 2 or 3 or whatever it is. That's the second one I've actually printed, so that's the first one. His arm's a little too short, so the controllers don't fit. They hit. It's not good. New one. Raise it up a little bit, so the controllers fit. Add a little color just because. And then so put the head on there. The Oculus fits perfectly in there. So it stays snug. It'd be cool to develop some wireless charging for that, but we'll see. So here's our Oculus Quest 3 stand. I like it.